Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly open the file location of the current workbook you're working on in Excel. This can be very handy for accessing other files in the same folder or managing your files more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your Excel application and the workbook you're currently working on. For this demonstration, I'll use an existing workbook. Next, go to the File tab in the top left corner of Excel. In the File menu, click on Info. Here, you'll find various details about your workbook. Under Info, you'll see the file path of your workbook. Click on Open File Location. This will open the folder where your workbook is saved directly in File Explorer. Now let's see this in action. I'll click Open File Location, and here we are in the folder where my workbook is saved. This is useful for managing other files in the same project or simply keeping your files organized. There's also an alternative method if you're more comfortable with the Save As dialog. Go to File, then Save As. Click on Browse, and it will take you to the folder where your workbook is currently saved. From there, you can easily open the file location. And that's it. Opening the file location of your current workbook in Excel is quick and easy, helping you to manage your files more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more Excel tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.